aerobatic, once again, 2 plates per trainer, and then equipped with bombs, rockets, and guns during a skirmish.
Did you say those Marquettis were from the Haitian Air Force?
There is the T-33. Hey, by the way, that while it was a trainer, they did equip some with guns and rockets, and it was called the AT-33 or Attack 33. Those aircraft did everything. They delivered mail, messages, top secret information from A to B. If somebody needed a ride from the top brass to the military base, needed to get to another military base or meeting somewhere, he'd call the people that had the aircraft and say, give me a ride in a T-33, I need to get to this base. It's remote, can't go by the airline. There's another example of that. The wingtip tanks give it away. A great aerobatic wing deck. There is the relatively fast